sterile procedure, right? You can still take it off. Okay? So, again, when you're going to take out the packing, you have to assess as well. Same, the color, the consistency, the odor, and the amount. Same as the wound bed. Okay, you have to, and then the peri-wound. You have to assess the peri-wound. Is it swelling? Is there any redness? Is there any sign of abnormalities? Bakit ang init?
Hindi yan, ma'am.
Walang isip mo.
Ha? Naramdaman
Hindi,
niyo?
at maraming tao mga ganun talaga kasi yung init ng katawan ng tao kasi
Ang
pag marami.
init. Okay. So, guys, hindi mo muna ito ano kasi isipin natin ito mamaya. Alright, so, you have to assess. Diba? I-assess yung urine inside the bed wound and the peri wound. Is there any infection? So how are you going to assess if there is an infection? Paano? If there is a symptoms of infection, ano? Ano lang symptoms of infection? Redness? Swelling? Odor?
Have the
And
pus.
then you have to see the temperature. Yeah? And then, of course, the drainage. Is there any pus?
The pus.
Is there any exudate that comes out? Okay? Alright. So, you already assess the all dressing, the wound bed, and the peri-wound. Now, it's time for you to clean. When you are going to clean, you are going to take off your gloves, remove again, and then wash again your hands. Okay, so now I'm going to take out the gloves. See how many times you are going to take out the gloves, yeah? So now I'm going to wash my hands again and wipe it and dry it off. Okay? So, asan yung ano mo, Ma'am Judy? Ano ba? Hindi tayo nagdala ng burger. Sorry, hindi tayo nagdala ng burger. So, yung ano kanina, yung sterile gloves. Okay guys, so I just wash my hands. But I did not use. Yeah, I sanitize. I wash. But I mean to say I did not wear my gloves anymore because I'm going to wear a sterile gloves. Okay. So how are you going to wear your? What is the proper way to wear your sterile gloves? Sterile na to ha. So again, you have to feel it down. Okay? So, pwede mo hawakan dito. This is the sterile. So, pwede mo siya. I have to sanitize my hands, right? Okay? So, also, in here, the outside is a non-sterile one, and the inside is a sterile, of course. Now I am going to wear for my dominant hand. If I'm going to wear it, you have to open like this, guys. Okay. So if you can see, there is a label down left, and this is right. Baka pag nakita nyo, ganun pa rin. Na left and right ha, left and right. And there is already a size of your hand, 7.5. So that is something like medium to large. So now I'm going to get with my non-dominant hand to wear for my dominant hand. So ito yung right. You can still touch in here because this area is a non-sterile one. Okay? So you can still help like this. sterile hen. Okay, so you have to get it through sterile to sterile for your non-dominant hen. So if it's sterile to sterile, this is non-sterile, so you have to tuck it in here, right?
Okay.
Tuck in because sterile to sterile, right? See, it's sterile to sterile because this one is a non-sterile one. Yeah. So now you can wear it. Okay. So you don't have to touch anything already when your hen is sterile. If you notice, if you are watching in the movie when they are going to do the operation, they always do like this, right? Yeah. Why? Yes, to avoid contamination. Yeah? So, ito naman pwede mo na lang iganyan kasi may mga assistant ka naman or what. But anyway, this one is ano pa yan? Yung nito, this one is sterile. Sorry ha. This one is sterile. You can still touch it, but the thing is, when you're going to put it inside the rubbish, your garbage bag or biohazard bag or your limpet bag, hahawakan mo. So, makakontaminate. So, you will just dispose it like that. Okay? Anyway, you have assistant. Okay? But if you don't have assistant is okay. You will just later on throw it or discard it. Okay? Alright, so my sterile. But anyway guys, yung mga Q-tips. I forgot to turn, to open slide opening dapat mga to. Dapat naka-open na before you're going to wear your sterile gloves ha. Dapat naka-open na to mga to guys. Sorry. And the Q-tips, meron kasing Q-tips na it is sterile din siya. So nakalagay siya sa packet guys. So you have to open it dito. So sterile itong Q-tips. Alright? So this one is without the irrigation muna ha. Iaano ko muna yung hindi tayo mag-irrigate. Later on the irrigation, baka sakaling nandiyan si Sir Benji ngayon. Okay? Kasi wala pa tayo nung yung IV na gates planting. Okay? So now, what we are going to do is to, and then yung Q-tips, yung kanyang sterile yun, pwede mo siyang gamitin as measurement. So you're not going to wear the ruler. Yeah. So you're not going to use the ruler anymore because yung Q-tips, yung kanyang packing, there is already a measurement. So for the meantime, we'll just use this one because we don't have the available Q-tips applicator with the measurement. Okay? So for the meantime, we have to use this one. Alright? So how are you going to measure? First, you have to measure first you have to clean first the periwound. You have to clean first the periwound, guys. So in cleaning the periwound, I already pour saline water a while ago, right? So if you are wearing sterile gloves, there's no need for you to use the forceps. Okay? You can just take the cotton balls, squeeze it, and then you will just clean it with the periwound. Okay? Again, squeeze it. Alright. Okay? So in case guys na hindi naman kayo, wala namang, there is no, if you want to use this one, the forceps, you can do like this, then dip it, then squeeze it. Then squeeze it. Right? Squeeze the excess water, then you have to, same thing, you have to use one stroke, throw. One stroke, throw. Okay? Alright. So, sorry. And then when you already when you already clean the periwound, it's time for you to clean the wound bed. Actually, we are going to irrigate dapat, ano ko na lang, ang pag-irrigate guys is, you just get it from, kunwari may container, there's a container filled with saline water, and then you will just get it, and then just flush it to the bed wound. Okay? So that's how you are going to irrigate. And then how are you going to clean? It means to say that you are already cleaning it. So you are going to what's this? To dry. See, I don't want to contaminate my sterile hands. So of course, I will just, you have to avoid touching the surface of the periwound. Okay? So, and then throw. So I never contaminate my sterile hands. Right? So again, same thing. You have to do again. You have to dry, and then just like that. See, you have to avoid contaminating your sterile hands. So you have to do this procedure. Okay? Alright, send then throw. Right? So after you, this one, it was already contaminated, so I will also throw. Actually, it's not contaminated because I am using I'm using the sterile gloves. So I can, if it is not contaminated, you can still put it back to the sterile film. Okay? Now, let's do the mining and tunneling. So what is mining? Yes.